Welcome to Ngobotante channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada. Ire Eitada. This is Ngobotante Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, Mr. Ngobo.
I'm good, thanks, man.
Nah, I'm good, Mr. Ngobo. Yeah, babukeli emakhaya konke lokhulumayo ayana, as you know.
Yeah, ingathi usabi camera, ngiyakwazi uyayithanda camera. Sonela phambili. Yeah.
Yona imukonke bafethu ayana, as you know. So khuluma ngegame TS Galaxy ne Sundowns.
Yeah.
The game was very interesting, guys, too, especially tactically, you know. I like one thing about the two coaches. They were not fearing each other.
Yeah.
They looked like winning the game. The game was very open. Even staff ya corner, you know.
Yeah.
Sundowns made ngabo number 10 abayi-train. Made ngo Sanchez, idlala nguTsikitsiki.
Yeah.
Idlala nguMatthews. And then Alenda dlala emuva kwabo as number 8, and then emuva kwa Alenda mothola uTebuko Mokoena.
Yeah.
So what would happen is le 3 Nuno Santos, Utseki, no Matthews. They were good on the ball, but off the ball, they were not that good. That is why you find we were almost 3 goals as Shaile, TS Galaxy staff, because of the transition. Every time when we are on offensive, on the front foot, Sateka, TS Galaxy may win the ball up, Yangama side, Slana side. We were saved by equality, Yagamutau. Mutau 2 or 3 brilliant saves, some 1-on-1.
Yeah.
Also, the quality of Williams today, he showed up today. He did 2 brilliant or 3 brilliant saves today,
yeah.
Williams. So we could have gone to half time, Sundowns did 2 or 3. But vice versa, Sundowns, as much as we could have conceded 2 or 3 goals in the first half, Sundowns could have scored 2 or 3 goals in the first half because we were good on the offensive. And then comes to Indaba Gatseke. Utsikitsiki Ngichabeleng. Ngichabeleng bafethu, it's a matter of image fitness, guys. He's good.
Yeah.
He was giving lento lesifunayo, you know. We've got a challenge yokuthi whenever we have the ball, it seems like we are running out of ideas because we are swinging it from the left to the right, from the left to the right. It's running out of ideas. Now, when you have Utsikitsiki grounding, you have someone who can get into half space and manipulate, have that extra touch come half space and be able to provide. I saw him 2 or 3 times angena half space. Anikeza one of our players a good chance to shoot. One of those chances was Ushalulile. He almost scored Ushalulile because Unteke half space. So I think for me, let's be patient. Unteke no coach na be patient in high. I think gradually he's gonna get there, you know. Remember Nosales last season. Gradually he started getting there, you know. Everyone was saying things about him, but gradually I think for me the best advice I'll give coach is gonna go and play in Nedbank. Let's take play more games with Nedbank so that I was pick up in momentum. And from there, as Magabe with PSL and going forward, we kept Champions League as because what Teke has, no one has in the team. What Teke has, there's no one that we have in the team on Alentolean. One Teke has, Zotemba Zwane has. So Themba Zwane sekamdala ngesikhulume kakhulu legend yethu, but we do need someone on our okwazi ball. We do need someone on our extra touch, you know. Yes, Nunez uyasihlalisa ama 1-2 uyakwazi ukutshontsha ibhola, but Nteke is that extra thing, guys. Unteke kancane, you know. Especially when we are playing, you know, I like Nteke when we are playing against a team that are robust defensively. When they are playing low block, the mid block. When we facing teams that are playing low block, the mid block, and then our team whereby they wait for us to figure out a line of engagement. The line of engagement is when they allow you to have the ball, the centre backs to have the ball. But man, that's when Makalugun Maka. So I feel really good when we play against teams Abbas Makaganjal. You need a player Elfana Nunteke because he's gonna get into our spaces. Unteke can minus a player or 2, 1-on-1. So we do need Unteke in that situation. So I think with me in this game, and then I'm changes the coach, you know. I was asking myself, kuza kanjani ukuthi adonse uShalulile afake uReyners, adonse uNtseke afake uSalez. But it shows ukuthi kunento mekayibona. Ucoach into mekayibona. ushalulile uma nama center back akana ma movement around, but when mangena uReynolds uyakwazi ukudlala on the shoulders zama defender. So uReynolds when he plays on the shoulders zama defender, he created a situation whereby he's splitting the defense. Now it's no longer compact defense like this. It's no longer a 4 a compact or a 5 a compact, but it's open. Kuna ma spaces in between. So mangena ma spaces in between. That's why we managed to go to the goal late because uyenze no Reynolds uvulile. He played on the shoulder wavula, and then the ball came in ngetru ball. That's why we created the goal and then we scored. So I think that was intelligent move from coach wetu. Ngiyabonga bafethu.
Thanks Bafo.
No, you can get me on TikTok, Ukoke, Koke, Ukoke Lomaziyo lapha Atletico Madrid. Number 6 Atletico Madrid. Uyeke lo khuluma Ukoke.
I wish I